Claims of the demise of the ICI after one of its commissioners quit are overblown and greatly inflated. While no one disputes the integrity and credibility of the just resigned Commissioner Rogelio Singson, someone somewhere will fill in his shoes eventually. Our Mel Moras on the work put in by Commissioner Singson that has set the ICI and the wheels of justice moving forward.
House Infrastructure Committee Co-Chair Terry Ridon is confident that the work of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or ICI, will continue despite the resignation of former DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson as one of its commissioners. According to Ridon, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. simply needs to appoint a suitable replacement for Singson to fill up the position.
For as long as the replacement of Secretary Singson is essentially having the same skill set as him, no, having the same integrity as him, tingin ko po pwede naman magtuloy po yung pong trabaho. So they had done good work in the last couple of months. Siyempre may actual hong pagbagal, particularly because of the limitation of the commission itself, but it is not on the commission only. It is also on Congress, it is also on the Senate, as to how fast a strengthened ICI.
House Senior Deputy Minority Leader Edgar Erice earlier insisted that the ICI is now dead following Singson's departure. ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima and Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya also expressed sadness over the former DPWH Secretary's decision. However, lawmakers from the majority bloc believe that the government's efforts to hold those involved in anomalous flood control projects accountable will not be hindered.
He must have his reasons, and that is part of democracy, and we trust. And then we also hope, as we work on the institutionalization of the ICI, as of now, it is a directive from the President. So we move ahead and try to pass yung biglang nating ngipin yung ICI.
Tuloy-tuloy naman po at may ombudsman naman tayo. At ang katunayan, nakikita naman natin na ang ating Pangulo ay porsigido na talagang panagutin ang may mga sala. Kaya tulungan natin ang ating gobyerno.
Mel Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.